Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix tint issues that you get while trying to play videos using VLC Media Player. To get started, click on Tools, then go to Preferences, then click on the Video tab. From here, set the output to DirectX video output and then uncheck the Use Hardware YUV RGB conversions and save the change. Close the running window, play the video and see if this fixes the issue or not. However, if you still get to see the tint issues, then click on Tools, then go to Effects and Filters. From here, go to Video Effects and uncheck the Image Adjust if it is active and see if the video tint issues are gone or not. However, if you still continue to get the tint issues, then you might have to use an alternative app to play your video. So let me show you an alternative app to do that. Simply open your browser and search for MPV Player SourceForge. From the search results, go to this first web page. Scroll down a bit and click here to download the file. So once downloaded, you will need a tool called 7-zip to extract the contents of the file. Simply go to your browser and search for 7-zip. Download it from here, install it, and then right click over the downloaded file. Go to show more options and you'll get the option of 7-zip. Simply use that to extract the contents of the file. Now go to the extracted folder. From here, go to the installer folder. You'll find MPV install. Simply right click over it and run it as administrator and wait for the installation process to finish. Once finished, close this window. Now, I'll give this script in the video description. You need to copy the contents of this script. Simply copy it. Create a new notepad file. Rename the file to MPV. Open the notepad file and paste the script and save the change. Now, once saved, go to View, then go to Show, then click on File Name Extensions. Now rename the file, just remove the .txt and replace it with .conf and save the change. Now cut this file, go to the extracted folder and paste it inside the MPV folder. And that's it. Now you can play your video files by right clicking over it and opening the same with MPV Player, and you won't get any tint issues. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.